What's up, everybody? This is Jasmine with Jazzy Fresh Mobile Detailing, and today I want to talk to you about one of my absolute favorite chemicals that I've come across. Mckees 37 Matte Rejuvenator and Floor Mat and Cargo Liner Rejuvenator. Let me get the name right before I mess that all up. This stuff is my... Ooh, I should have had that closed. I used this yesterday. I didn't realize I didn't close it. This stuff is my go-to matte rubber cleaner. It is so good, dude. But this is expensive. I believe this gallon goes for $67 to $70. So it's not cheap, but it is so potent that you don't need a lot. So one floor mat, if you power wash that floor mat, spritz that thing maybe 3-4 times, and then spritz some on your spritz your brush, and then go to town on it, that'll be enough. Like, you really don't need a lot. Like this, I have it in this bottle for right now. Obviously, you can see that is not the correct bottle, because the bottle I had for this broke. But this bottle, I mean, I don't have to. I think I could probably get through 3 to 5 details cleaning rubber mats on each one before I need to refill this, which is pretty, in my mind, that's pretty good. There are some of my chemicals where I'm refilling them every other detail, so that's not good in my mind. But the only thing that I dislike about this chemical is that it's not dilutable. So it doesn't last as... for $70, I would like it to be dilutable so it lasts a lot longer. But the fact that it's not dilutable is what makes it good. I'm going to show you right after this, after I get done talking, one of the reasons. Actually, this is the detail I did yesterday, and just with this product on the mats. Like, that's it. If you can see, like, those mats look really good. They don't look faded or anything like that. There's no really light gray spots from wear and tear and all that. This stuff will, once you clean it, there's a couple ways you can do this. Now, I like to, like I said, I like to power wash, spray this, scrub it, and then power wash it off again. But on those floor mats that are really really kind of dingy, what you can do with this is take it, spritz it on the floor mat, and just kind of let it set. Let it set and let it dry on there, and it's going to give it a nice sheen that's not oily or anything like that. It lays flat, so you're not going to slip. Hi, Mom. My mom lives down there. She's waving at us. But yeah, no, this is a great product. I mean, I don't like the price point, like I said, but for the quality that you get of it, and the customer satisfaction you get from their mats, going from looking like they need to be replaced to looking brand new again, it's absolutely worth it. Absolutely 1000% worth it. For a long time, I didn't know. I was cleaning mats with like Super Clean and that stuff. It strips it of everything. Like, there's no protectant of any kind on it. Is this guy about to park right here? No, he's not. Okay, cool. I'm like a little over the parking spot, so I kind of need to hurry up and do this. But yeah, like I said, 70 bucks, it's not cheap, but it will give you great results and it will have your customer smiling at you. And I think that's worth it. I think that is very much worth it. The only problems that I've had with this, so the first gallon that I got came like almost half empty. I don't know what McKee's problem is with not being able to secure these, but the lids do not come very secure. This stuff does leak on the way here. Now, they did send me out a replacement for free. I will give them credit where credit is due. They replaced it, so I got, you know, half a gallon in a full gallon, so for the price of one. So I can't really complain too much there, but I mean, if this stuff was 20 bucks cheaper, I'd be way happier. For $70, it's expensive. Or excuse me, I shouldn't have said that. But yeah, it's that is the only thing. So what I do is when I finish off any other gallon, because these lids are pretty universal, those locking lids, I keep them. I keep them just in case I need them, because I learned my lesson with the first gallon that this probably going to come with a lid that needs to be replaced. So I have extra locking lids. So if I were you, I'd finish up another gallon or something and change the lid out on this so it's more secure and it doesn't leak anymore. If it does leak, it's going to leave like this white kind of chalkiness, which is not bad. You can wipe it off, but it's kind of annoying to deal with. Yeah, but other than that, this is a great product. Great product. McKees has some quality stuff, but this is the one that I really like. I just wish it was cheaper. That is literally my only complaint. So, like I said, I was using Super Clean, and Super Clean is great, but it is a degreaser, and it's not meant to rejuvenate, and this literally brings it back. So, you can use this on... If you're in a pinch, you can use it on tires. I wouldn't recommend that, but you can, just to clean them very sparingly. But yeah, you can use this on tires, cargo liners, regular floor mats, all that crap, and it'll do good. I have tried this on fabric before just to see its cleaning power, and remarkably, it does do quite well on carpet floor mats. But again, at the price point, I would not be using that full time on that, because it just doesn't make sense economically at all. For $70 a gallon, I wouldn't be cleaning floor mat. I'd go through this so quick, it'd be ridiculous. But yeah, great product, great durability, great userability. If they had a dilutable formula, that would be fantastic. And if the price was cheaper, that would be fantastic. But because of the quality, I understand why it is the way it is. I will link it in the description for you if you'd like to purchase it. Me personally, this is the only floor cleaner that I carry. I don't really, I still use Super Clean for other things here and there. I actually don't even have any on my truck right now because I ran out and didn't go buy more because I had this. So yeah, this is by far my go-to. I love this stuff. As far as like cleaning interiors, with this, I already put it away. This carpet, PNS Carpet Bomber and PNS Express interior, you'll be in a good way. Those three things, you'll be able to clean just about any car with just those three chemicals. So yeah, go check them out. Go read up on Mckees if you're interested in more of their products. But yeah, I'll link it in the description for you. I hope that helps. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you go detail some cars today and tomorrow, whenever what time it is for you. And I hope your business booms. And if you liked it, if this video was helpful for you, please like and follow this video, or like this video and subscribe. Thanks.